How to allow camera access on Snapchat when no camera option. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first locate your Snapchat application. Tap and hold on the application. Then go to its app info. After that, scroll down and then find app permissions. Make sure you have enabled camera allowed. Now, if not, go to the camera permission and select allow only while using the app. And this should fix your problem and your camera will be allowed access on Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.